Tired of tangled cords or side-eyeing hotel room smoke detectors? We have something interesting stored for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Let's dive right into the smartest, slickest tools to make your life smarter and stress-free. First of all, say goodbye to earbud fatigue because these sleek wraparound air conduction headphones rest over your ears and use open air conduction tech to deliver rich, clear audio, all without blocking the outside world. Plus, they're sweat resistant and feature dual mics to keep your calls crisp even during a jog. It's 2025 and still not all planes have seat back screens. This rotatable hands-free phone mount clamps onto the tray table and rotates for the perfect viewing angle. Now, you don't have to try those phone balancing hacks in your flight. Tiny but mighty, this pocket-sized cordless charger boosts your battery up to 60% in just 30 minutes. And it plugs directly into your phone. Yes, no cable needed. And it fits perfectly in your small bag or even your jeans. This 4-in-1 smart lamp does everything. It's a wireless charger, a Bluetooth speaker, voice-controlled alarm clock, and LED nightlight. Set the mood with 16 million color options, jam out to your playlist, and wake up gently. It's basically your bedside BFF. Now, if you're creeped out by your Airbnb host's obsession with security, this pocket-sized hidden camera detector is a spy gadget that uses RF signals and infrared to detect hidden cameras and GPS trackers. And last, capture your life in cinematic smoothness with this AI smartphone stabilizer. This AI-powered stabilizer tracks your face, smooths out every shot, and doubles as a tripod, a selfie stick, and even a power bank. It's like having a tiny film crew in your way to go. These gadgets don't just make life easier, they make you feel like you're living in the future. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. AI is taking over 2025, and these 5 gadgets are so mind-blowing, you'll wonder how you ever live without them. From a robot that reads your mood to glasses that translate in real time. Stick around to see the future you can hold today. What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for cutting-edge gear. It's April 2025 and AI's hitting peak insanity. Today, we're counting down the top 5 AI gadgets you need to try this year. These aren't sci-fi dreams, they're real, they're here, and they're about to change your life. Let's dive in. Mood Sync Companion. Kicking off at number 5, the Mood Sync Companion. This palm-sized robot uses AI to scan your face and voice, figuring out if you're stressed, happy, or just hangry. Then it adapts, playing chill tunes, cracking jokes, or even ordering pizza. Downside, it's a little clingy. Keeps asking if I'm okay when I'm just zoning out. At number 4, the Alra Smart Glasses. These sleek specs pack real-time language translation. Hear Spanish turned to English through tiny earbuds as someone speaks. Plus, they project AR directions right onto the lens. Perfect for travelers or anyone who's tired of Google Translate fails. The catch? Battery life's only 6 hours. Better pack a charger. Number 3, the Kitchen Bot Pro. This countertop chef uses AI to whip up meals based on whatever's in your fridge. Toss in random veggies and it'll suggest recipes, measure ingredients, and cook hands-free. Steal for foodies or lazy cooks like me. Only gripe? It's a little judgy about my expired ketchup. Coming in at number 2, the NeuroFit Band. This $249 wristband tracks your brainwaves with AI to optimize workouts and sleep. It'll buzz you to push harder mid-run or nudge you to bed when you're fried. Fitness buffs? This is next level. Warning, it's brutally honest. Call me out for slacking mid-squat. And the top spot, HoloMate Projector. The 3D AI assistant into your room. Think Jarvis from Iron Man. It manages your schedule, answers questions, even plays holographic games. Setup is a breeze, and the visuals, unreal. Trade-off, it's pricey, but for tech nerds, it's worth every penny. There you have it, 2025's top 5 AI gadgets. From mood-reading bots to holographic helpers, this year's lineup is wild. My fave is the HoloMate, but which one's calling your name? These are all out now or dropping soon, so start saving or begging for that upgrade. What's your must-have from this list? Drop it in the comments. Flying doesn't have to feel like a torture test with budget airlines, cramped seats, and endless delays aside. Savvy travelers know it's all about packing the right gadgets to survive the skies like a pro. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Forget lugging dictionaries and maps because these modern tools will help you with everything from takeoff to landing. First up, the Avantri Relay, a tiny, pocket-sized and Bluetooth-ready little gadget that plugs into your in-flight entertainment systems, letting you wirelessly pair headphones and roam the cabin without missing a beat. Long flights? No problem, because 25 hours of playback keeps your movies and music going non-stop. Next, meet the Mikar airplane phone holder. Budget flights rarely have luxury screens, but this multi-angle holder transforms your phone into your personal cinema. From tray tables to armrests, it keeps your device secure and perfectly angled, plus it's only $12. For bookworms, Kindle e-readers are lifesavers. With being lightweight, weeks of battery life, and endless storage, they let you binge read without sweating storage space or dead devices. Don't underestimate comfort, because Jeff D inflatable travel pillows are a game changer. With adjustable angles, skin-friendly fabric, and compact packing, it makes sleeping upright not just possible, but pleasant. Finally, squeeze more into your carry-on with Backbird vacuum bags. These genius bags compress your clothes, save luggage space, and let you dodge checked baggage fees, and it's perfect for frequent flyers. From entertainment to comfort and space-saving hacks, these travel essentials turn stressful flights into smooth journeys. Your plane seat may be tiny, but your flying experience. Flying doesn't have to feel like a torture test with budget airlines, cramped seats, and endless delays aside. Savvy travelers know it's all about packing the right gadgets to survive the skies like a pro. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Forget lugging dictionaries and maps because these modern tools will help you with everything from takeoff to landing. First up, the Avantri Relay, a tiny... Hey tech lovers! 2025's hottest gadgets are here, and they're blowing up the scene. From smart wallets to 3D printers, these are the must-haves everyone's talking about. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into the trendy 5 tech gadgets everyone's talking about in 2025. The tech world's on fire with CES 2025 and epic launches from Apple, Google, and Samsung. We've scoured the latest to bring you the top 5 gadgets that blend style, innovation, and function. Want to know what's topping the charts? Keep watching. Extra RFID blocking leather wallet. This sleek leather wallet is a game changer with RFID protection to block identity theft. Its patented button pops out up to 10 cards, and an optional solar-powered Bluetooth tracker keeps it findable up to 200 feet. Stylish, secure, and eco-friendly. Perfect for any tech fan. OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. Keep your devices spotless with this compact tool. It's got a microfiber pad for smudge-free screens and a retractable brush for keyboards. Affordable and portable, it's a must for clean freaks and gadget lovers alike. Mention M3 touchscreen MP3 player. This pocket-sized gem rocks a 2.4-inch touchscreen, 64 GB storage, micro SD support, and Bluetooth 5.3. With a built-in speaker, FM radio, and earbuds included, it's a budget-friendly audio powerhouse for music lovers on the go. The Ridge Bolt Action Pen. This isn't your average pen made of aluminum with a slick bolt action mechanism. It's durable, stylish, and perfect for screen-free moments. Available in multiple finishes, it's a classy gift for anyone who loves unique EDC gear. Anchor Make M5 3D Printer. A beast for creators. This printer handles complex multi-material prints with best-in-class speed. It's got a sturdy aluminum frame, a companion app, and a built-in camera for time-lapse videos. These gadgets aren't just functional, they're stylish, durable, and perfect for gifting or upgrading your setup. From the Extra Wallet's high-tech security to the Anchor Make's creative power, 2025's tech is all about innovation and flair. Which one's calling your name? Drop it below. And that's the scoop on 2025's trendy tech gadgets. Are you grabbing something from? Hey tech lovers, 2025's